Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a fascinating topic that's been buzzing lately: the intriguing connections between drone sightings, AI and UFO hysteria. So let's get into it. First, let's talk drones. Over the past few weeks there's been a spike in drone sightings near sensitive areas. Naturally, this has people worried about surveillance and security breaches. Some even speculate extraterrestrial activity. But remember, history shows us that humans love crafting narratives when faced with ambiguity, much like the UFO sightings of the past. Now here's where it gets interesting. Recently, a video supposedly showing a UFO in Maryland was debunked as AI generated. Yep, AI is now so advanced it can create incredibly realistic but fake media. This isn't just a one-off. Similar cases are popping up globally, stirring the pot of UFO theories even more. It's a potent example of how misinformation can spread and why critical media evaluation is crucial. Speaking of AI, let's touch on AI hallucinations. Just like humans, AI can generate plausible but false outputs when given ambiguous information. Think of chatbots like Sydney and Google Bard, which sometimes produce inaccurate information. This parallels our human tendency to fill gaps in understanding with stories, showing how fragile our shared reality can be. And what about quantum entanglement? Some folks link it to UFO sightings, suggesting advanced technology at play. Quantum entanglement is a real scientific phenomenon where particles influence each other instantaneously over distances. But linking it to UFOs, pure speculation with no scientific backing. So what's the takeaway? In this era of misinformation and AI's growing influence, it's vital for businesses and leaders to prioritize clear communication and ethical AI development. By promoting digital literacy and fostering trust, we can navigate these murky waters effectively. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into tech and beyond. Thanks for watching.